Back support with high-quality, copper-infused fabric designed for maximum comfort and mobility. Provides lower back support and targeted relief. Adjustable straps for form-fitting compression. Contoured, slim and lightweight design fits discreetly under clothes. Copper ions bound to the fiber level during manufacturing help reduce odors. Sport type, exercise and fitness. Care instructions, machine wash. Top reviews from the United States. Almost immediately I was able to stand upright and it felt so much better. I went on with my day and about. Used this for the first time just the other day. I do a lot of very awkward heavy lifting. I had worked a 12-hour shift and did not stop for a break the day before. My job requires me to stay in a motel overnight and finish up the next day. The bed, yes, the bed was not as forgiving as I hoped for. Woke up, got out of bed and bent over in pain. Showered, dressed and put the support on. Almost immediately I was able to stand upright and it felt so much better. I went on with my day and about 3 hours into it I decided to take it off. I was fine to carry on. You see, it helped me out to begin with and allowed me to get going using my back muscles without depending on it completely. Best back support system I have ever used.